Problem 16. In the following list of numbers, the integer n appears n times in the list for all values of n between 1 and 100. And there's a list 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, all the way up to 200, 200s. What is the median of the numbers in this list? So basically, we want to find k. I'm going to assume that the median is like in the middle of a run of k numbers. So find k such that 1 plus 2 plus all the way up to k minus 1 is less than 1/2 times. Oh yeah, so the total number of terms is 200 times 201 over 2, which equals 20,100. So we want to find k such that there's less than half of it, less than half of the numbers that appear before, but the sum of the numbers up to k is greater than 1/2 times 2,100. And this is because if both of these are true, then that means that like there's some number in between in the middle of that run of k's, which will be the 1/2 times 20,100 number, which is the median. And you should be able, and so this gets you k minus 1 times k over 2 is less than 1/2 times 2,100, which is less than k times k plus 1 over 2. So k minus 1 times k is less than 20,100, which is less than k times k plus 1. And so this tells us that like k squared is approximately equal to 20,100. That's what we're going for. And so in order to find this value of k should be approximately equal to the square root of 20,100. And if you know the square root of 2, 100 times the square root of 2, and the square root of 2 is 1.41, so this should be approximately 141. And so yeah, you can just test this. So 140. So for example, 1 plus 2 plus all the way up to 141 is going to be equal to 141 times 71. Which is zeros, 10,011. So yeah, 141 times 142 equals 20,022. And so that means that the value of k is going to be equal to 142 and 20,000, since 20,022 is less than 20,100, and 142 times 143 is certainly going to be able to make up that like 78 gap. And so yeah, k equals 142. You should also be able to guess this one just based on the fact that like the median of the number is going to be the number such that like k squared, like if k is the median, there's like k squared over 2 before it, and into the total number is 200 squared over 2. So like you want k, if the median squared over 2 is going to be equal to 1/2 times 200 squared over 2, which means that median is going to be approximately root 2 over 2 times 200, which is 142. Okay.